Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. We're starting off still with some clouds across the eastern UP. A little bit of patchy fog out there along the Wisconsin state line. We do have still some areas that might be a little bit damp and wet this morning. Here's the view over at the Mackinac Bridge there. The winds have increased a little bit there. West wind 5 miles per hour, 68 degrees there this morning. Here's the setup. There's the system. It's moving out of the Great Lakes. The frontal boundary is still moving through the lower peninsula. We're expecting some high pressure to move in for the rest of this week. As far as behind this system, the pattern is shifting, and the big thing you'll notice is the fact that we will have less humid air move in in the wake of yesterday's rain and storms. So basically the rest of the week is going to feel less tropical. Dew point temperatures upper 60s for areas downstate. That's where that tropical air mass is at, and this is where that more pleasant air mass is coming in out of southern Canada. So down into the 50s for dew point temperatures today, as well as for the remainder of the week, extending all the way through basically Friday. So giving us some decent conditions for the rest of the week. And a lot of that also has to do with the shift in the pattern in the jet stream. This is the jet stream pattern. You can see the lines right here. There's this trough that's digging in out of southern Canada that's going to be pushing into the Great Lakes here today and sticking around with us for the next couple of days. So with that happening, that's pulling in some cooler, less humid air into the Great Lakes. Also the other reason why the pattern's going to be shifting for us basically for the rest of this week. We're back to heat as we head towards this upcoming Saturday, but not quite as toasty as this past weekend. Today, upper 60s to low 70s across the north. We're expecting some mid 70s and a few upper 70s along the Wisconsin state line. Tomorrow morning, mid to upper 50s to start off your Wednesday morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, here's that big change. Tomorrow will be the coolest day within this work week. We're expecting generally low to mid 60s and a few upper 60s right along Lake Michigan. Small potential for a few isolated pop-up showers this afternoon between 2 and 6 o'clock in the afternoon. And then some similar conditions tomorrow, though tomorrow we're expecting those isolated showers to pop up right around midday and winds to become breezy tomorrow out of the north and northwest, gusts of 20 to 25 miles per hour. Looking at your extended forecast, we do have more 70s in store for you. Some spotty rain on Saturday with highs pushing back towards the 80s this weekend.